Well, hello there, my name is Alex from Makeup with Alix Kate, and today I am going to be showing you the Give Me Cosmetics Ultimate Haircare set that is launching on their early Black Friday. So Give Me Cosmetics have put all of their hair care and put it in a beautiful set for you. Look how beautiful the packaging is. I absolutely love it. In here you get a shampoo, conditioner, hair serum, couple of hair masks, heat defense spray and also a detangling hairbrush. This whole set is worth £74, but you're actually only going to pay £36, so that is a huge saving. Firstly, in here you get the heat defense spray. This protects hair from styling damage, defends up to 230 degrees, and this has got coconut oil and argan oil in it. Next you get these huge shampoo and conditioners. I actually didn't think they were going to be as big as this, but they both have 300ml inside. So the shampoo cleanses, strengthens and transforms the hair. It is also paraben free. Look how cute the packaging is. I am obsessed. And then the conditioner hydrates, nourishes and revives the hair. Again, very cute packaging. And this is also paraben free and contains provitamins. You also get two of their hair masks. One of these has the mango and passion fruit scent and the other one has their argan oil and coconut oil scent. It smells absolutely unreal. I literally cannot wait to use that. I love a good hair mask. So I think that's really good that they include two different hair masks in here as well. And then you also get a hair serum. So this is again coconut oil and argan oil, expertly formulated, protects against humidity and heat and fights frizz. This has 45ml in it and it has a cute little pink pump. And lastly, if that all isn't enough, you also get a detangling hairbrush. Now this is great for someone like me who gets a lot of knots in their hair. When you get out of the bath or shower, just get one of these in your hair so when you're drying them it's not constantly getting knotted. And these are super handy to throw in your handbag as well if you just need to brush your hair on the go. And that is everything inside the Ultimate Hair Care set. I think this is very good value for money and would be great for someone who is obsessed with hair care. So just a reminder, this is launching on their early Black Friday sale on 8th of November, and not only is this set launching, but they've got up to 80% off site-wide. Don't forget to follow all the Give Me Cosmetics socials just to keep up to date on their Black Friday sales, and thank you for watching. Bye!